Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio custom Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. The global cues are looking poor क्योंकि equity markets are trading lower in Asia, followed by the sell-off in US stock markets. Dollar index is high, US bond yields are high. So कल जो US inflation data था, that was higher than expected, and that could be the reason why we are seeing this kind of move in the global markets. USDINR कल 83.25 के आसपास जाके 24.25 के जाके spot बंद हुआ था, तो वहाँ पे it is trading in the offshore. Now, since August, we have seen this tendency in USDINR that it has refused to stay lower, and every time it has been pushed lower, it has simply bounced back towards the 83.30 mark. ये मतलब ऐसा है कि you are trying to push a balloon inside the water, and the water level is 83.30. When you exert a lot of pressure, it does go down, but the moment you release the pressure on the balloon floats higher. So that is the phenomena which we are seeing, which is not a great thing, which basically means there is an inherent demand in the market in the dollar. So if you are a student of price action, which you should be, if you are trading markets, if you don't understand price action, then you are badly handicapped. So price action is clearly suggesting that till now, there is significant demand on dips. And RBI is intervening aggressively through forwards, possibly through futures even, and spot as well. Futures मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because there has been a significant jump in the open interest, and when the volatility is so low, तब इतना बड़ा jump in the open interest looks could be. Again, it's a conjecture. We can't confirm it until unless the data from RBI comes out. Could be the RBI intervention on the exchange as well. But same time, last year USDINR has made a high of 83.29 something, so it's almost going to be a year. We don't know whether that would mean that the USDINR achieved enough stability and it could be allowed to move higher or not. That is something which we are keeping an eye, because एक साल का stability के बाद RBI का objective तो वही है, to keep the USDINR stable, not protect any particular level forever. So हो सकता है, if the global pressure on the dollar continues to be on the upside, RBI may allow the USDINR to move higher. So how to trade is a difficult market condition for short-term traders, but 83 or 83.30 range है, तो इसके लिए buy on dips can be done. 83 के नीचे on a closing basis will be your stop. Spot का बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. And 83.30, 32 के ऊपर अगर breakout दिया, then you can add on to your longs, because then it's a clear breakout which can be played. Cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR दोनों में we will see a pullback today, because कल जो rally था US bond yields में उसके कारण, और yen INR में भी there's going to be a downward pressure because of the rising yields. USD/JPY has moved higher. कल इंडिया का जो इकोनॉमिक डेटा था, दैट वाज वेरी इंप्रेसिव, क्योंकि जो इन्फ्लेशन था, CPI इन्फ्लेशन, दैट केम इन मच लोअर देन एक्सपेक्टेड. इट सरप्राइज्ड द मार्केट, व्हिच माइट बी पॉजिटिव फॉर द इंडियन बॉन्ड्स. एंड सेकेंडली जो इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन था, दैट जंप टू अ 10-month हाई. So that is something. So the economic data was quite impressive. Lower inflation, high growth. But uska impact on the USDINR will be not significant, because USDINR at this point in time, as I said, is looking for cues from the world market. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.